Ah, but they went to Shark Tank. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have gotten this opportunity to shoot this video today because I am going to color my hair. So this is my hair since, I don't know, 5, 6 years. It has always been black. So today I am going to color my hair at home. So I am going to use Birds of Paradise color in the shade Hazel Brown. And I thought, why not document this whole process and show you guys if the product is really good. So it's very difficult to get my hair colored because I really have jet black hair and also my hair is very thick. So yeah, I will take you guys through the process of how to mix the color and everything and then applying it, and then the last transformation video. So stay tuned. Trying the second one also. Okay, so the paste is ready and I have my gloves on. I will start applying it alone, then maybe Pritesh will help me. Let's do it. Are you done? हाथ में रखो ना, ऐसे अपने हाथ में ऐसे ऊपर, दूसरे हाथ में, हाँ. और 30 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा.
30 मिनट्स.
या ब्रश से ज़्यादा लेयर नहीं लगेगा, बहुत बचा है बेबी इसमें.
क्योंकि गाढ़ा गाढ़ा है सब.
या तो ब्रश से एक पेस्ट लगा के फिर उसको हाथ से खींचना पड़ेगा शायद. ये सब खाली है ना बेबी? तुम्हें लगता है लेकिन कलर निकलेगा? कुछ ब्राउन दिख रहा है होते हुए.
आई थिंक तुमको रखने के बाद थोड़ा हीट करने के बाद जब तुम
ड्राई होगा
तब वो आएगा, ऐसे नहीं आएगा. चमत्कारी थोड़ी है.
Birds of Paradise. तुम पता है they went to Shark Tank. That's where they got famous.
Well, I hope they are good.
My hair is so black. I can't imagine my hair to be like brown.
Let's see. Things
In,
might
with
change
this.
today. Good.
पता चला reptiles of कुर्ला लगूं.
ये फुल हो गया है, ऐसा लग रहा है.
This you know this is for 1000.
बाप रे.
Salon में 5000. So I don't know if this works out, then this is better, no?
Yeah.
So we are almost done. Left with just this much. I think we will not apply this anymore. है ना babe?
Yeah.
We tried to apply as much as possible. It's itching like shit. So yeah. That's how the back is okay. I hope the color shows. That's my only fear. So now I wait for 30 minutes and then I'll wash it off and then come back. Okay. So this is me after my hair wash. Honestly, I can see nothing. I can only see this section being a bit of brown, but rest of my hair still black. Like everything is black except for this. I know roots catches color faster, but I didn't know that even after using 2 packets, there will be no color on my hair. Like Birds of Paradise, I don't think I am satisfied. Very disappointed. I thought I will look a very different person after I wash my hair, but I can see nothing. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for staying till the end and see not much of a transformation. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys soon.